What structural shifts do you think will most reshape the AI industry over the next few years?
I think today everyone's moving from pilot to production. We were talking about AI on the pilot since so long. Now people are moving to having AI and automation in production. But what we're not envisaging is the amount and quantum of infrastructure that will be there on the back end to support the same. So I think the structural shift that will go is the amount of infrastructure which will be consumed through the time once AI moves into production for all enterprise grade use cases. So I think that's something that would go on.
My next question for you is where do you see sustainable competitive advantage emerging for AI companies today?
Sorry?
Where do you see sustainable competitive advantage emerging for AI companies today?
So I think the sustainable and competitive advantage that companies would have using AI would be to, let's say, yeah, so competitive advantage for companies would be when they have automation on the customer facing processes, because once you have an automation and something on the customer facing, you see an immediate productivity and immediate ROI. So that's where the competitive advantage will come into picture.
Right. My next question for you is what are the biggest misconceptions businesses still have about deploying AI?
So the biggest misconception would be that AI can be as an add-on feature, because AI would be a layer on top of the current systems which might be fragmented in nature. So the biggest thing that enterprises would need to understand is that the current systems will have to integrate with each other, and the infrastructure will have to be scalable in nature to make AI production ready.
Okay. How do you see the balance evolving between proprietary models and open ecosystems?
Sorry.
How do you see the balance evolving between proprietary models and open ecosystems?
So So I think a lot of organizations which are highly regulated, let's say BFSI or highly regulated industries are having their own LLMs, their own models which are proprietary in nature, which are industry specific in nature. There are a lot of companies who are coming up with such solutions, and to top it off, they have open source AI applications sitting on top of it. So I think that's the tech stack that people and organizations are having. So you have a model that is trained on your specific organizational requirements, topped off by an open source AI application. So I think that's the tech stack that a lot of organizations are adopting as on date.
Okay. What risks or bottlenecks could significantly slow industry progress as far as AI adoption is concerned?
The risk that I foresee is having the need for a responsible AI. Because when we talk about automation or artificial intelligence, having a complete traceability, auditability, and transparency is very important at this area. So that will be the risk if that is not planned during the production time. So that's something that would come up.